Assalamualaikum. Hi students. Today I would like to deliver chapter number 3. MIC260 mycology is about fungal cell. If you look at your syllabus, this is actually the overview about chapter number 3, fungal cell. There are actually sub chapters here which are introduction to fungal cell, composition of fungal cell, focuses on the cell wall, and importance of fungal cell wall to fungi. So before we start our lesson today, this is quote of the day. We learn 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, 30% of what we see, 50% of what we see and hear, 70% of what we discuss with others, 80% of what we personally experience, and the last one, 90% of what we teach to someone else. So if you are teaching your friend, you are sharing knowledge within your friends, so you get about 90% of what you teach. Benefit, okay, it means outcome or benefit or the special awards to yourself. So this is sourced by Tracer 1967 and etc. So learning outcome for chapter number 3. After finish this chapter number 3, so you should be able to describe the basic components of fungal cell, and you should be able to explain specific characteristics of each components in fungal cells. Okay, we move on into this slide about the fungal wall. Okay, of course, this is very important information for you to understand about fungal wall. Number one, fungal wall. The function of fungal wall number one is protects the underlying protoplasma. Of course, this is something like your skin. Okay, is we protect your external. Your internal environment, internal part. Okay, so number two, determines the and maintain the shape of the fungal cell or hypa. Number three, acts as an interface between the fungus and its environments. Number four, acts as a binding site for some enzymes. And the last one, possesses antigenic properties, which allows interactions with other organisms. So this is the functions of the fungal wall. See, as you can see from here, this is actually different type of fungus, which are penicillium from your left hand side and aspergillus from your right hand side. So this is another type of fungi. As you can see from here, this is very special and unique, because they have different compartments. Okay, and please take note also, you have to remember each labels of these fungi. Okay, as you can see from your left hand side. So this is septum. Okay, and followed by Golgi apparatus, vacuole, cell wall, plasma membrane, lipid body, mitochondria, and nucleus. Okay, please make sure you know how to label this structure properly. Okay, this is very detailed about the structure of hypo, and as you can see from here, they actually a label. Of course, I told you before, you please do recall remember all this type of structure. Okay, this is diagram illustrating the ultra structure of a septate hypae. As you can see from here, okay, this is a septate, okay, or septum here, the left hand side. So this is detail about this septum or septate. Okay, of course, this is the complete overall about ultra structure. Okay, so please take note, you must recall this every single labels here. Okay, for example, crystal, nucleus, hypo, and etc. And this is the fungal cell wall again. This is from a different view, and again, as you can see from here, they are from your right hand side here, this is monoproteins, okay, followed by chitin, ergosterol, alpha 1,3 glucan synthase, and etc. So I will continue this lesson later on. Thank you.